How's it going, guys? It's been quite a long time since I made any content. One of the reasons why you haven't saw me in a while, guys, was I've been really busy creating other books. Right? I created a couple coloring books, uh, a lesson plan for teachers, a lesson plan for students. I have created a grant book, uh, a debt collection, guide. Um, what else? I'm missing. I've created a couple more journals. I got about 15 books in total. I think 14 or 15 books within the last 3 or 4 years. So I've really been busy, guys, creating content, and I want to make it real. Want you guys to understand what I am doing. It's not necessary for me, guys. It is to help people. People out here are looking for opportunities, man, and um, they are struggling. And so I created a book called The Grant Blueprint 2025. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this book, you know, within the last, uh, I want to say 6 months, I have wrote about 5 to 6 grants. And these grants, what I purposely did is wrote them for the end of the year, right? Got a great chance of winning, right? Uh, I wrote grants uh, for my startup business, which is Accelerated Consulting Group. I have wrote government contracts, right? And it is so important that you understand money needs to be spent from the government and also for corporations. So I did it strategically. Wait to the end of the year, right, guys? Uh, because in January, uh, first quarter, I did it because my business can start fresh. Not just my business, but also for my non for profit, guys. I am trying to help everybody win. And everybody keep asking me, how can I get started? What do I need to do? I'm telling you, go get the two books, How to Start a Cargo Van Business and also the grant, uh, the blueprint, the grants for blueprints, right? 2025. Guys, I'm so tired because I continually want everybody to win. I want everybody to eat. And the only way I can do that is, guys, that you understand that the opportunity present in front of you is that you don't have to do the work. I'm telling you, you don't have to do the work. I spent years researching and creating the grant book, guys. And if you're a startup and you want to buy your own truck and your own 26-foot truck, box truck, if you want to get you a cargo van, multiple cargo vans, guys, you can write grants. Right now I have 4 grants that I have a great chance. And grants not guaranteed, but I have 4 grants, a total of $1 million. What is that going to do for our business when we win these opportunities? Because I'm not going to say if, I'm going to say when. Because I'm going to manifest and I'm going to believe that it's going to happen. Now, that's 4 grants that I have a great opportunity, but also for my non for profit organization, guys, I have written another 4 more grants for the non for profit. Total on, I want to say 275. So it is so important, guys, that you get the content. I'm looking at right now about $1.2 million in grants. Uh, Another contract for that we are looking to secure is the government, so I can't tell you the details. But what I will tell you, if you have a cargo van, I'm looking for people that are established in the state of Illinois, to deliver medical supplies, right? So if you have an established company, right, guys, I'm looking for a subcontractor. Uh, and this is another way that I want you to eat. I don't have time to do the work. So I'm going to subcontract this work out to someone, and that person, hopefully, they can hire other people, right? And in turn, this is a 4 year contract. 4 year contract, guys. Go get the book, please. www.cargovanbusiness.com. I am giving you the blueprint to be able to eat out here, guys. To be able to level up, to be able to win in this game of life. That being said, thank you for chiming in. Thank you for checking out my content. I thought it was so essential for me to tell you guys I'm giving you the blueprint to win. Take care. www.cargovanbusiness.com.